Small doggies.
It's very bad.
Oh my gosh.
I wouldn't want my children to smell. I didn't want to say nothing to you this morning. I thought, fuck that. I want your dogs in my car. They already came up here. I forgot that she was bringing them.
Yeah, it's just a horrible smell.
I forgot she was bringing them up here in my car. I probably would have said, hey, you didn't take your car.
I don't know why they're so bad. It's that one that's dying. And then the other one just because it's always with it.
I mean, I'm no one to be telling you, but I just think you need your time too, Jeff, at home to edit and do your thing. Go surf. And not have to say, oh shit, I got to get up and take her to work. I got to go pick her up.
Yeah.
It should be pleasure. Not like, oh my God, I got to go do this. No, you don't got to go do it. You don't got to do nothing. You have your kids.
I care, yeah, man. Yeah, man.
And they'd rather visit with you what they're used to, you know. And they got to see her last night. It was like,
Oh my gosh.
it was enough.
Yeah.
They need you.
Yeah,
No matter what
man.
you do all day or whatever, you're with your boys. I've seen that. But you know, she was kind. She was kind.
Wow.
But
Stop your baby.
and stinky bag.
Yeah, man.
Then that'd be okay, you know, to take it back and forth.
Which is
Yeah,
like,
babe.
Because that's bad.
God.
Exactly.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, boys. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, my tag.
One piece of bacon, boy.
Yep. Yeah,
Would
man.
you like to take a piece? Grandma needs a plate.
Yeah, man.
Would you like a piece of bacon?
Yeah, man. Yeah, boy.
Take a piece. Would you like a piece?
I'm alright right now.
I know my yeah, man.
Mmm.
Yeah, man. You bud.
Yeah, we're cooking and we can almost put the potatoes in there. I can't believe Costco's got 4 packs of bacon for $12.97. That's like such a great deal. What do you have?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Tomorrow we'll do chorizo.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, I was just a comment on one of your YouTube videos and I thought it was dope.
Alright, what's up, you guys? So we are just
Ready, dude?
I don't know, getting set up, or no, my cousin Sean and my uncle Corey just got here, so they're actually gonna get set up right now. They're just pulling their cars in. We got a couple more tents to set up. Looks like they brought even some extra chairs. We just had some music going, but I turned it down due to copyright issues and all that stuff. But me and Sean are gonna shotgun a beer for you guys and say cheers. So let's we're gonna set that up and we'll be right back with you guys. Hold on a sec. All right, let's do it like right. We'll have to do it like right here.
Your mouth once it's in your mouth.
Let's get a Bud Light shotgun. How do you do it? You gotta like put a hole in it or some shit. I forget how you do it old school.
Bro, come on.
I forget.
You forget.
Man, it's been 10 years and
Yo, let me set up with my dad and then we'll do it.
What's up? Okay.
Let's set up with my dad real quick and then we'll do it.
Let's shotgun real quick. You'll be good.
No, go ahead.
Let's do it. Let's do it. The camera's rolling.
You know my dad.
All right. I don't know how.
What I want to do is ice down some of your beers, Sean.
Yeah. Look, I don't know how this works.
No,
Wait.
keep it shut.
Okay. You just keep it shut. You need like a key, huh?
I cracked mine a little bit so it's like doesn't fucking pop in your face.
You have to have a key.
Yeah. Here I got my keys in
Here I got mine. Here I got one right here.
Just cover. Don't let it.
shit will be funny. Okay, yeah, perfect. All right, so wait.
To the back.
All right, you guys, so I forget how to do this stuff. It's been a minute. Sean's gonna kind of remind me or teach me. Do we gotta like
front? To the front, and then yeah, and then just here.
But you gotta like, yeah, you do yours first. Fuck.
Sorry, did I get you?
It's all good. It's all good.
But you gotta open it. Don't cut your freaking lip. Yeah, you shouldn't have popped it so much.
Fuck.
That's little boo-boo.
Chug it now. You just gotta chug it now.
Hey, boo-boo. Hey, boo-boo.
Whew. All right,
Just gotta chug
cheers.
it.
Oh, the fucking thing got blown over. Out of all that. All right.
We can do
All right.
another one.
Yeah, we're gonna have to redo that shit. That shit sucks, but we got time. We got plenty of time. We're gonna be setting up.
That was the practice run.
Yeah, that was horrible, you guys. I don't even know. We probably won't even use that one, but yeah, maybe we will. We'll throw some of the bloopers in, but.
I'm gonna get the.
All right, yeah, we're gonna finish setting up. We'll talk to you guys in a little bit here.
Oh, yeah, it's there.
It does. I'll tie it on there here in a minute.
This isn't the beginning of something.
Isn't it?
The sun is rising, most definitely. A new day is coming. Ooh, people are changing. Ain't it beautiful? Ooh, crystal blue persuasion. See the light. Love is the answer, and that's alright. So don't you give up now. So easy to find. Just look to your soul. Open your mind. Crystal blue persuasion. It's a new vibration. Crystal blue persuasion. Crystal blue persuasion. Maybe tomorrow, when he looks down on every green field.
All right, Sean's got his tent up. Uncle Corey's working on his. He's got a big dog tent. Anyways, I'm gonna go do a little check-in. Dustin and my mom are washing dishes right now, so Dustin's being a good helper. Are you helping Grandma? You helping Grandma?
He's a helper. Yeah, okay. Is all clean? Yeah. Okay.
You seen this one?
Oh, I love you.
Ooh, good helper.
Taking his time off. Oh, don't want to get the watch wet. Gotta be careful. Take watch off. Oh shit, that made him think. So Dad, leave me alone. I'm not gonna do it.
Are we all done? Good job.
This one is a yellow.
All right, we just got back from doing a couple dishes with Dustin and my mom.
Yeah, this just goes on the side here.
We are here actually putting out Uncle Corey's tent. This is super vintage, and I know vintage is kind of coming back, but it's pretty cool. There's like yellow, yellow, blue, blue, red, red, with the old school poles. And yeah, it's been a minute since we put it up, so we're figuring out, relearning how to put it together. Fun stuff. Comes all that fun stuff that comes with camping. All right, stay tuned. We'll talk to you guys in a minute here. Hopefully we can get it put together. Chingon! This thing's starting to come along, Lur. This thing's chingon. That's what she would say on. This thing's a thing of Judah. This thing's cherry. This thing's cherry. Oh, I love Lauren. Gosh dang it. Looking for him.
The dishes to cleaning the.
We gave them. Hey, we're saving them for later.
You can open it
For some lemonade.
Definitely efficient.
He's cleaning it good.
Efficient.
He is.
You rigged it good. Oh, hell yeah.
That's in.
Jeffrey got it.
He's cleaning the windows right
help
now.
me.
Oh, you want me to help you? Okay.
Yeah,
It doesn't look like an ocean boat, but it it cuts good.
no, it'll get. Shit, you know, you got your boat.
Yeah, it cuts good.
Oh, no, that's
My haircut, no mud, huh?
Yeah.
No, huh?
you know, decent shit.
Yeah.
Go.
Yeah, I guess you there.
Okay.
Take care of business.
He knows Sean now. Hi, Sean.
It's a fun little sled, man. This thing's a fun little sled.
Yeah, I know already. I can see it.
We lasted like 10 miles.
Yeah. Just like nothing. Mama got to quit though at that.
All right, what's up, you guys? Super awesome video. I can't even believe this is going down right now. My Uncle Corey, my cousin Sean are in town. Father's Day weekend, my dad, both my sons and my mom are gonna be on the boat right now. I'm pretty sure, fingers crossed, hopefully everybody makes it, stays on the boat. We're gonna go, I'm gonna try and water ski. We got some old water skis from back in the day. They're from my dad's era, like 30, I don't know, there's things might be like 30 plus years old, maybe even 40 years old. I don't know. I'm super excited for this one. Come along with us. We're all gonna hopefully get on the boat right now. Go make some magic happen. Stay tuned. All right, you guys, so it was not the perfect world. Dustin threw a fit. My mom had to stay with him. Uncle Corey decided not to come. It's rough and windy right now here in the harbor, but we got Sean, we got Cody, we got my dad, and we are gonna go and they're gonna try and put me on the skis and pull me around a little bit. And at best, we're gonna at least go check the backside of the lake, try to find some glassy conditions, because that's usually what's out there. So super excited to bring you guys along for this one. Yeah, about to be blasting off here in a second, but like I said, conditions are super windy. What's up? You gotta pee?
YouTube shorts.
YouTube shorts?
Yeah, the kids know about that. You're drunk. You're jelly. Yeah, you're drunk.
YouTube shorts.
Yeah, it's a little bit nicer over here, a little bit.
Don't worry. It's gonna be good too.
All right, you guys, so I am getting in the wetsuit right now. We are out here about to get on these freaking old ass skis, 100-year-old skis. They actually don't look too bad of condition, so. Wish me luck jumping in the wetsuit so I can stay warm, because this summer has been one of the coldest summers ever recorded. And yeah, stay tuned. Talk to you guys in a minute here.
What is this? Bro. How old are you? Okay, this is badass. Is this? Yo. How do you? Oh, what car is it? You know, I came out in the other side.
Yeah, that won't work. Hey, get away from the side.
I'm not supposed to start this side, Jeffrey.
Okay, we're just right here.
No, that's because where it's called. If you're gonna drop where it's called.
All right, you guys, so when your days are numbered, you kind of got to try everything and do it once. And yeah, it's my first time on the boat like this, so. No, wait, I'm not in the water yet. It's right here, just. All right, well, yeah, just put it in neutral 1 more second. Put it in neutral. Is it in neutral? Okay. Let me make sure the rope's untangled out here. All right, hold on. Go! Whoa, go! Hit me tight, go forward. All right. Horrible driver, man. Horrible driver. Hold on. Yeah, you need to punch it. No. 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 Oh, 1, 2, 3. Now, not count to 3. I'll tell you, wait, let's straighten out. Let's just let me get straight behind you. Let me line up behind you. I'm good now, I'm ready to go, but wait. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Sean, you try it. I'm not strapped in. I'm not strapped in like the pussies. Pussies have to strap in. Go! What's up, you guys? So we just got back to the campsite. Luckily, we were able to get the boat in the water today. That was awesome. Yeah, it was super cool. Sean had a blast. My Uncle Corey didn't make it out there this time, but I think tomorrow we're gonna try and get him out there. We're gonna drag him out on the boat to try and watch me ski. I'll try and ski again. I think Sean might try and get up on the board. If not, maybe we're gonna try to mess with the skis, because the skis were a little too tight for me, even my dad. I don't know who was using those skis, but they were too small for anybody to use. So anyways, we're about to get some dinner going. We're all just relaxing, chilling, hanging out. Super awesome day. Thank you, dear Lord. Really blessed. Yeah,
Like a racehorse?
Talk to you guys in a little bit here. I know we can't even have a fire, man.
Wait.
Oh, we're gonna put the stove right there, and then we're gonna